Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss another questions. Want to say the second question of history, French Revolution. The exact question is that what steps did the French revolutionaries take to create a sense of the collective identity among the French people? So it's your second question. So here we'll discuss illustrately this question answer. What steps did the French revolutionaries take to create a sense of collective identity among the French Revolution? So, guys, here we will discuss illustrately the French revolutionaries took many important steps to create a sense of collective identity among the French people, which were as under. So, the French revolutionaries take to create a sense of collective identity among the French people, that they have taken different types of the steps which we will be found here one by one. That the first idea was their first idea of la patria, the fatherland, and le citoyen, the citizen, emphasizing the notion of a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. A new flag, a tricolor, replaced the royal standard. So here we found that the French revolutionaries took many important steps to create a sense of collective identity among the French people, which were, so first idea they have given are the first idea through which the intellectual has inspired all the nation. That idea was la patria. It means that this land is belong to our forefathers, or you can say fatherland. And another they have inspired through this idea Licetonia. So due to this they have changed they have changed their flag, and also they have changed their flag. So here also the states journal was renamed the state assembly and was elected by a group of active citizens. So guys, we are discussing the French revolutions taken to create a sense of collective identity among the French people. First point, we have found that the intellectual person or the educated person, they inspired the people that this land is belong to your fatherland and you are the citizens of this land. And they have also chosen the another type, or you can say the another type of the flag, in which you found three color, or you can say tricolor, tri-color flag. So the state general assembly, and also they renamed the state general assembly national assembly. State general assembly renamed as a national assembly and was elected by a group of active citizens. That this assembly was elected by the active, or you can say elected citizen, or the active citizen. So new hymns, oaths, and martyrs commemorates in the name of the nation. A central administrative system made uniform laws for the entire nation, discouraging regional dialects and promoting French as a common language as the nation. So also we found how the revolutionaries take to create a sense of collective identity among the French. They inspired the people that this earth or this land is belong to your fatherland and we are the citizen of the land. And also they have make their own, or the new color of the flag. And also third one is there was the journal states general assembly. They changed this name and the renamed as a national assembly, and also elected by a group of active citizens. This assembly was elected by a group of active citizens. So new hymns, oaths, and martyrs commemorates in the name of the nation. A central administrative system made uniform law for the entire of the whole of the nation. So here we observe that whole of the country has been here we found that whole of the country has been unified in a one court of the one court of the law in which each and every person is equal rights, and they have in front of the law every person is equal, and they unified the whole of the nation. So they and make their dialects, or you can say that they encourage, or they established the French language of all the Europe. So we have illustratively discussed here the questions that what steps did the French revolutionaries take to create a sense of collective identity among the French revolution. Here we found that first topic is that the revolutionaries were the educated people, and they have aware people that this land is your fatherland and you are the citizens, and they have also chosen the tricolor and replaced the royal one. And another the main thing they have changed during the period of revolutionary persons has also changed that the states general assembly renamed as the national assembly, and all the who these were the group of active citizens, and also they have new hymns, oaths, and martyrs commemorated in the name of nation, and also they make uniform law for the entire nation, discouraging the national dialects, and their people were dialecting differently at different languages, and they have promoted only one type of the language, that is French, that is French. So guys, I hope that you have understand this topic properly, and I hope this due to this discussion you will be subscribe this channel, and like this videos and share. That's why, because in future I will make like such videos for you. Thanks.